Greetings, outdoor enthusiasts. Ready for an upgrade? Today we bring you the 15 coolest survival gear and gadgets for 2024, the ultimate survival gear guide. So join us for this thrilling reveal of top-shelf survival gear you simply must have. Illuminating the path ahead with unmatched brightness, the OLIGHT Warrior X 3 tactical flashlight stands as a reliable beacon for outdoor enthusiasts. This upgraded version shines brighter than its predecessors, emitting a 2500 lumens light that can reach up to 560 meters ahead, making it perfect for outdoor rescue, hunting, and searching activities. It's enhanced with a strong, durable design featuring 3 zirconium beads for added toughness. The flashlight is user-friendly, with a dual-stage tactical tail switch that makes it easy to switch between high and low light modes for both everyday and tactical uses. A unique feature is its vibration battery indicator, which silently alerts you when it's time to recharge, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Additionally, it comes with a warrior ring and a silicone tactical grip ring for a comfortable and secure hold during intense situations. Bridging the gap between power and precision, the CRKT M1602DB folding pocket knife provides a robust solution for everyday challenges with its innovative deadbolt lock, ensuring durability and reliability in the most demanding situations. This knife comes with an assisted opening feature, allowing you to quickly and easily open the blade with just a flip. The smooth deployment is further enhanced by the IKBS ball bearing pivot system, ensuring a flawless opening every time. The blade is made of D2 steel, which is known for maintaining a sharp edge for a long time, reducing the need for frequent sharpening. The handle is crafted from lightweight aluminum, offering strength without adding excess weight. This knife is designed with a stone-washed blade that not only gives it a sleek look, but also increases its resistance to corrosion, promising durability and a long life. Created by the Columbia River Knife and Tool Company, which places a high value on innovation and integrity, this knife guarantees confidence in hand for its users. Just as essential, the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit X complements this toolkit by offering unparalleled versatility with its array of functions, ready for any unforeseen scenario. This Swiss-made tool packs 24 useful functions into one compact design, including a bottle opener, various screwdrivers, a large blade, wire cutters, and even a saw for wood. What makes it stand out is its elegant craftsmanship coupled with robust stainless steel construction, ensuring it not only looks good, but lasts a lifetime. Victorinox stands behind this quality, offering a lifetime guarantee against any defects in materials or workmanship. It measures just over 4 inches in length and weighs around 7.4 ounces, making it very portable. Plus, it comes with a stylish leather pouch for storage. Whether you're fixing something around the house, tackling a job on the go, or simply opening a bottle, the Spirit X is designed to be your go-to tool for everything. For tasks demanding more brute force, the Fiskars X27 Super Splitting Axe emerges as the perfect partner, making light work of chopping wood and gardening chores. Its sharp blade allows you to split medium to large-size logs in one strike with maximum efficiency. The handle has a shock-absorbing feature and a textured non-slip grip, which reduces hand strain and improves control. It is especially suited for tall users. Its hardened forged steel blade stays sharp for longer, and its advanced design makes it easy to remove from wood. The product includes the axe and a protective sheath and is backed by a lifetime warranty. Next, the Anrapley Lighter is a premium torch lighter designed for multiple uses. Crafted from aluminum alloy and surface plating techniques, it's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also highly durable. It comes with a unique push-up switch for easy use and a refillable and controllable flame for efficient use. It also features a turbocharged nozzle that provides a wind-resistant flame. It is equipped with a visible fuel window. No more guessing about the refill time. With its ergonomic design, it's perfect for grilling, camping, or even home tasks. This product is sold without gas due to safety regulations. As we delve deeper into preparedness, the READYWISE emergency food supply stands as a pillar of sustenance, offering peace of mind with its long shelf life and nutritional value, a testament to the thoughtfulness behind assembling essentials that are as varied in use as they are necessary. This food bucket ensures you stay nourished and energized with bananas, strawberries, apples, and blueberries. Say goodbye to bland emergency food. These fruits are selected for their exceptional taste and nutritional value. With an impressive 20-year shelf life, these meals are ready whenever you are, ensuring long-lasting freshness. Preparation is effortless. Just add water, stir, and wait 15 minutes for a wholesome meal. Ideal for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness, READYWISE makes sure you're ready for anything. The Bates fencing pliers further extend this versatility, proving invaluable in construction or survival situations, underscoring the importance of readiness for any challenge. These 10-inch pliers are crafted from polished steel alloy, ensuring they are tough and resistant to rust. They offer a comfortable grip with a soft plastic coating, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. Featuring a corrugated hammerhead, 2 cutting notches suitable for different wire sizes, grips for pulling out staples, and a wire grip for stretching wires, they are perfect for anyone who works with fences, from carpenters to handymen. These pliers are engineered to handle a variety of tasks efficiently. Personal safety, a non-negotiable aspect of outdoor adventuring, is exemplified by the Vexor full-axis pepper spray, offering protection at arm's reach. It features a unique 360-degree spray capability, meaning it can deploy the spray from any angle, even if held upside down, allowing for easier and more versatile use in a high-stress situation. The pepper spray comes with a belt clip for easy access when you need it quickly. It's compact, making it convenient to carry on a daily basis. Perfect for anyone looking for a reliable safety tool, the Vexor pepper spray is suitable for personal security, especially for joggers, commuters, or students. Transitioning seamlessly from ensuring safe hydration to providing comprehensive medical preparedness, the LifeStraw Go water filter bottle emerges as a paramount addition for any traveler or adventurer. This bottle is very effective at making water safe to drink, as it can remove bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. It can filter up to 1,000 gallons, about 4 years of daily use, of contaminated water, making it reliable for extended trips or emergencies. The bottle is made without BPA, using 50% recycled materials, adding to its eco-friendliness as it reduces reliance on single-use plastic bottles. Each purchase supports a child in need with safe drinking water for a year, so it's a purchase that gives back. As we pivot towards the importance of readiness to address health emergencies, the Swiss-safe 2-in-1 Hardcase First Aid Kit positions itself as a critical component of any emergency or outdoor gear collection. This kit is equipped with 348 medical items, offering a wide range of supplies for various situations. From bandages to antiseptic wipes, it has everything you might need in a medical pinch. Your supplies will stay organized and easy to find, thanks to the kit's clear inner pockets. The hard outer shell protects the contents, making it durable in any environment. It's a comprehensive safety net for any unexpected injuries or health issues. Elevating our focus on safety and utility in the realm of outdoor activities, the XBEN outdoor climbing rope is introduced as an indispensable tool for enthusiasts engaging in climbing and other high-stakes adventures. Renowned for its stability, this static rope is designed to aid in control during demanding outdoor activities. One of its key benefits is its ability to reduce unnecessary bouncing, easing your descent for a safer experience. It adapts to a diverse array of applications, including tree climbing, canyoneering, and operations related to rescue. This rope ensures you a secure and reliable performance, whether you're a professional climber or simply an enthusiastic hobbyist. So, gear up with the XBEN rope and embrace your next adventure with confidence. Continuing the theme of dependability and practicality, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is spotlighted as a quintessential daily tool. This knife features a durable black oxide, high-carbon stainless steel blade, assuring longevity and reliability. Its overall length, when unfolded, is around 7.1 inches, with the blade accounting for about 3.1 inches. The knife's handle is constructed from black aluminum for a sturdy grip. Its liner lock mechanism ensures that the blade remains firmly in place during use, promoting safe handling. The knife also includes convenient features like a pocket clip, finger flipper, and ambidextrous thumb knobs, allowing easy access anytime. Lastly, the narrative of preparedness and versatility culminates with the introduction of the AbeuRox Multitool Tactical Survival Gear. This all-in-one gadget includes essentials such as lighter and multiple other functions designed to assist in survival scenarios. Its durable build ensures it can withstand tough environments, from wilderness camping to emergency repairs at home. Its versatility makes it invaluable for daily tasks as well, highlighting its usefulness beyond just survival situations. Easy to carry and robust, this multi-tool brings together practicality and preparedness, ensuring you're always ready, no matter the circumstance. Embrace these innovations to stay ahead in your outdoor adventures. Whether it's navigating the wilderness or tackling everyday challenges, this gear guide ensures you're always prepared. Keep exploring, stay safe, and gear up for 2024. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Your interaction makes a world of difference. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. We're all ears and keen to engage with our community's feedback. Thank you for watching.